This is the Cougar Dust 2. It comes with a beautifully crafted anodized aluminum front and rear panel with sandblasted finish, and they are available in desert sand, which is gold color, in grey and in silver. At the top there is a panel with large cutouts. Front and rear handlebars that are sturdy and comfortable to hold. A set of latches that's part of the mechanism that secures the side and top panel. And underneath the top panel there's a dust filter. The function buttons and input ports are at the side. The side panel is a solid metal piece with another perforated metal at the center. Disassembling the Dust 2 case is a tedious affair. One has to unlatch the panel first and have the top panel removed. After that, you have to use the included hex key, as you can see here, to unlock the 4 screws that are on the side panel. It is only after taking off the screws that the panels can be removed. In order to access the PCIe bracket, you will also have to unscrew another set of 4 screws, and this time it's for the rear panel. Just as with the rest of the case, the panel is solid and it is easy to detach once you remove the screws. For the interior, the case is roomy, so you are able to fit large size graphics card and even a 280mm AIO. And yes, it comes with a PCIe Gentry riser. Being of a sandwich layout, the other side has enough room to fit ATX sized power supply. The feet of the Dust 2 can be removed as well, and you must do so in order to access the dust filter at the bottom. The Dust 2 comes with 2 120mm fans pre-installed at the top for exhaust, which is plenty sufficient for most people. For the power supply, they are to be mounted on the cage that sits at the bottom of the case. The power supply is mounted with the fans facing outward for air intake purpose. The drive cage is hidden at the front, meaning you can't do anything without first removing the power supply, which is a huge hassle, especially when you have all the cable management done. In this setup here, I managed to secure a 240mm AIO from Cougar, an ASRock B660M ITX AC motherboard with PNY Accelerate M.2 SSD and memory. There's ample room in the Dust 2 case for cables to be stashed around easily. And on the other side of the chamber, an ASRock RX 6600 XT Phantom Gaming sits comfortably with much room around, and from my test, the graphics card did not show increase in operating temperatures even when the panel is closed. Right, so retailing at about RM 500, is this case worth it? I guess you can say it's worth it if you're looking for the things that it offers. First, the unique appearance. Second, the build quality. Third, the handlebars for portability. And then size-wise, it's not the most compact. However, there is a purpose for it. The size allows you to put a 240mm AIO, ATX power supply, large size graphics card, everything for you to get a powerful performing PC at this size and with this portability. So overall, good stuff from Cougar. That's all for this one. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.